Good afternoon or good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us for today's presentation. Today's presentation is brought to you by the Business Review webinar series in conjunction with North Carolina Biotech Center. I'm very pleased to be joined today by Phil Priest from GSK, Louis Arp from Eisai, and Esther Alegria from Biogen IDEC. Before we begin today's presentation, I'd just like to run through a few of the controls that you have available to you, just to make sure that you're able to interact with the audience throughout the presentation. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will notice that there are several functions that you're able to use. The main function for today's presentation will be for you to submit questions to our panel. You'll notice there is that question box. If you submit your questions throughout the presentation, at the end of the presentation, for around about 10 to 15 minutes, we will be able to answer those questions. And we will prioritize as many as we can. Okay. The order of today's running will begin with Phil Priest presenting from GSK, followed by Esther Alegria, followed by Lou Arp. Phil, if you're ready, I'm now going to hand over to yourself. Your slides are now live, and we can begin your... Wonderful. Thank you very much, Phil. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the...